How is everybody? I'm out of sync. That's right, I am out of sync. I'm going to try and see if I can set up this camera a little better. How is everybody? Face looks a little bit slimmer. Lost 20 pounds, brain fog, anxiety, sleepless nights. Need a little bit of that sleep. Don't like to take any medication for anything, although there's maybe a little bit of this little CBD oil, but it makes your mouth dry. I don't like that. Then there's a little bit of this. What do you think about this? If you take 5-HTP, right, then you got to take 100, and it creates vivid dreams, crazy vivid dreams. You have to relax. You get into a dream, it's a vivid dream. You should take that to an area where you can restructure your mind in the vivid dream, or you would figure that if it's magical, nothing is magical if we are connected to the moon and the sun. I have a design, I don't know if you can see it, that design right there next to the FedEx off the fridge. The moon and the sun were connected below and above the energy. What I'm going to bring to you in numbers right now is something pretty simple. It was about 51, 52, 53, 54, all the way to 59. 5 lives in 9. 5 does not live in 8. 5 and 7, 5 passes through. 7 is the 7th gate, the half-life. There's the card and there's the cube. 6 is the half-life, as well as 6 lives in 7 and 8 in the card, rectangular and square. One is cubed, the deck of cards. 55, the spirit of 76 is how it's created. It is the birth, and it is the sun. How come? Because numbers take you that way. 1 and 4, 5. 2 and 3, 5. Are there any other ways to make 5 besides 0, 5? Now, 2 and 3 will create 2 times 3. 2 plus 3 is 6 and 5. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 will equal 5 and 4, and that's your numeric value for the sun. This is any craps. This is number 8 and 15, equaling to the same thing that you would get prior to number 55. Why? Because 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 6. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 equals 5 and 6. 3 times 5, 3 plus 5 equals to 15 and 8, total of 23. 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 6 and 8 is the planet house electric company. The reverse of this is connected to the moon. 2 times 3 times 4 times our vibration. The opposite is 8 and 2, 10. 7 and 3, 10. 6 and 4, 10. There's another way to do this. It would be 2 and 2, 4. It would be 5 and 2, 7. So what you would be getting over here on this side, but this side is just bringing it to the 10 ratio, which is the passing that goes through us, the ace point. The ace point that passes through you is from this side and this side, and it goes right to you. Boom, right between the eyes, the ace, right? The heart has 1 point, and it comes from 2 bubbles, 2 different sides. So instead of the 8, you are going to have 2, 5, and 8. Here you will have, when it comes to the 3, you will have, instead of just 7, okay, you're going to have 1, 4, and 7. And instead of just 6, you're going to have 3, 6, and 9. 3 and 4 is 7, 6, and 9. So 3, 6, 9, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. The reason I did this, I'm bringing everything to the 10, 10 level. And on this side, I reversed it. Instead of 15, it's 51. Instead of 25, it's 52. Instead of 53, it's 35. Where's the blood? I have a little cut on my finger here. So when we come to over here, Earth 52, in the 2 times world, the divided world, the world with the spirit, the world without the center dot. The 4 does not have the center dot, the 2 doesn't have the center dot, and the 3 does. So each one of these is going to tell a story. When you go 3 times 2 equals to 6, it is now 1, 4, and 7. Remember, I got these off the vibration, 2, 3, and 4. The reverse of 2, 3, and 4 is 8, 7, and 6. That's just what it is. It'll all equal to 1, 1, 1. So when we go 2 times 4 is 8, what do we need to bring this to the To the 1, the 4, and the 7, we will need 2, 5, and 8. 2 and 8 is 10. 8 and 8, 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 5 and 8 is 13. So the 1 and the 4 will now come together. 1 and 4, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4, Mars and the Sun. This is your Freedom 55. It is also your birth rate. And the reason for that is because 42 minus 13 is 29. 5 times 4, 5 plus 4 is 20 plus 9. Where do we get this from? 7 times 6, 7 plus 6 equals 13 and 42. Do you want to not understand something in here? I just multiplied to get numbers that match. Here we have 3, and I bring it to 1, 4, 7. Remember, look at your telephone pad. 1, 4, and 7. 2, 5, and 8. 3, 6, and 9. I can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but that's one section. And I use this because it's already formulated in the 1 month of 28 days, or 29, in the 4 months of 30 days, and in the 7 months of 31 days. 731, the gateway through the moon. So this is the numbers we have here, and each one of these. And you can do it with other numbers too, but I'm doing it with the center number. I can do this with 41, but 41 will bring me back to this one over here. I can do this with 31. Okay, I do it with 31, it brings me to 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. See, I got 35 over here already. So anyways, a little bit tired to go through that. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.